Never ever hold a never mind. Oh,
Lovely Sagittarius, how are you guys doing? I welcome you to Solstice. So today we are going to pull out your general prosperity spread for the rest of July, okay, which is going to really talk about your career, your abundance messages really. So whichever dynamic this resonates, personal, professional, you can take it that way, okay. A shout out to Rising 888 who really asked me to do this, as I do this mostly in my personal reading. And yes, we're a tiny community, we're growing, and I'm very happy that you guys are supporting and liking and loving it. Thank you, thank you. I send so much of love to you guys, and I appreciate each one of you. Okay, so all my information is in the description box. Kindly have a look, and let's see what are my guides telling you right now. To watch your sun, moon, and rising, guys. Okay, as I dabble into Vedic and Western astrology and inner compass, kindly use my crossword. So let's see, Michael Gabriel, what are the messages we need to see for our Sagittarius for the rest of July? And yes, I know a lot of people want me to really come live. I'm going to do that once I touch that number as I set in my previous readings. So we're still not there. We just have to be there, and I'm going to come live. Let's see, my spirit guides, Michael Gabriel, some of the messages for Sagittarius. What are the messages that we need to see for our Sagittarius? So we have time to go. 45, 99. What is it that you guys are walking away from? Maybe you have the deep understanding that now there are no good days or bad days. Honestly, that is the kind of vibe I get. But also I receive that people, listen, who are resonating with me, don't act lazy. It's time to take that step forward and march ahead, because the door is right in front of you. Right in front of you. I don't know whether you guys can see the door or not. Please, I wish, yeah, you can, right? So make sure that you are walking towards it. Okay, so let's see what is the tarot advising, and then I'm going to integrate it and share it with you. This is more about walking away from something which is not working for you anymore. Could be an experience, could be a collaboration, could be people, could be job, could be a partner, could be anything. Yeah, with the world as a peaker, maybe you're coming out of that cycle. Maybe it's about ending, maybe it's about changing, and there's a lot of disruption with the Kasi that is going on. But let's see how this is playing out, my Sagittarius. How is this really playing out? Don't carry the burden. You're not hurting anyone. If you're working towards yourself, that's why my heart chakra went heavy. If you're working on yourself, you're going towards your growth, you're thinking about your interest. At times it's okay, it's fine. They're asking me to stop. Show me the messages I need to see for our Sagittarius, those who are watching. Sun, moon, rising. What do we need to see? Too many, can't have them. There's a lot going on. I think that you've been going on. There has been a lot going on, but it's time to release it all. Full moon in Aquarius is a very good time to do that, and I think that's where you're going to complete a cycle. I say that very strongly. Sun, moon, rising, Sagittarius. If you will not walk away from something which has been there in your life for a long time, how will you experience something new? 9 of Wands, yeah, let it go. You're holding on too tight to something that you don't need to. With the Nine of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy, core card, your energy, right? Yep, I'm gonna take these two. With the Fool, the leap of faith, Aries energy. Risk it all. It's okay. It's fine. Trust that whatever your intuition is guiding you, whatever is being nudged to you, pay attention to that. Don't fret about it. Make full use of that time and that opportunity that is coming your way or is about to come your way. It might be very difficult for you to step up and say, you know what, I am okay accepting this job or this business collaboration or this love engagement. But they're saying that go for it. For some, okay? And don't worry, because it's followed by the Ace of Swords. 0 and 1. Amazing. Like new beginnings, fresh beginnings, strong beginnings. Take stock of all that you've learned with these 9 of Wands. Okay? Because this is where you'll understand how you need to go forward with the time to go now. Wow. And Archangel Michael, you're being my spirit guide. He's here. This is so amazing. He's here to bless your experience thus far, and he's saying that, you know what, whatever you're hearing, listening, experiencing, accept it. Don't challenge it or question it, because that is where they're going to turn it around for you. Yeah. Don't stand confused right now, because everything is being nudged to you. You're getting the signs, the syncs, messages are being sent to you through guides, but you're blindfolded. You don't know yet what to do, how to go about it, and whether you should take this up or not. But with the ace, like the two aces, guys, trust, inspiration, Fool with the Ace of Wands, Fool with the Ace of Swords, it's magnificent. I mean, I think it's just amazing that you need to really trust. People who've been telling you that you're lazy, you don't put in the hard work, people who say that you're full of pride, people who say that you're arrogant, people who say that you don't work to the max, tell them it's all right. If I am not suited for this, it's okay. I'm gonna walk around, because I know how much I put in. You'll have to stand up for yourself and say the truth the way it is. And the path you've been on with your work or your projects, your business, it might seem that, you know, it's not working out well, it's getting tedious for you to handle, but the universe is saying, the deities, the guides with Michael here, they're saying it very openly that, you know, you don't have to stand blindfolded. Open it up. See that you've got the right people, right opportunities, right experiences coming your way. What else for my Sagittarius? You've really finished your task, and powerful opportunities, powerful avenues coming around with two aces. What do you expect? I mean, yeah, 3 of Wands, from ace to 3, it is right here, and it's under the Ace of Swords that it stands true. That whatever was not working out for you in the past, or the way it was, you're going to change it now, or the universe has helped you change it now, because they're giving you signs for new beginnings. They're giving you signs to look within, go deeper, and walk towards that kind of understanding, that kind of energy, so that you don't stay conflicted. Okay, if there has been any misunderstanding in regard to your workspace, in regard to family or love, you know, that could be resolving soon, very soon for you guys, provided you listen to the other person as well, or either way, if they listen to you, right? And it would turn out better than you have ever imagined. Now the spirits are just telling you that, you know, if you want the abundance to flow in, you have to continue to move forward, right? Because if one door closes, the other is surely going to open, right? So simply put in perspective, it's not about time to stay in pride, in time to say, you know what, I know, let me see, let me give it a thought, let me think. Do understand, get the balance right, take that little risk which is required. Trust the guides, trust your intuition. Don't stand blindfolded and go towards it with two aces. Say your truth, go out. It's right there for you. They're guiding you, they're helping you. Something very strong and amazing is coming your way. Definitely. And if you feel that, oh, nothing is going to happen going forward, I'm just done with it and all that, no, it's time to sit down and get that clarity. So they say if one door closes, the other opens. That's what they're showing me for you, Sagittarius. What is the divine direction of Sagittarius needs to see? Abundance. Again, great news is heading your way. Abundance is coming to you in many forms. Prosperity is yours, baby. So whether it is in regard to love, it's in regard to your career, it's in regard to family, any dynamic people, it is going to be an amazing partnership. It's going to be an amazing relationship. It's going to be an amazing time going forward. Just make sure that you stay aligned. You're ready to drop things that are not serving you. Manifest right, new moon. Drop things that are not working for you. This full moon in Aquarius, it's going to be wonderful. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I send you so much of love and light. And stay home, stay safe, like and subscribe. Bye for now.